Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we want to find the value of a from this given nice math problem. A multiplied by a multiplied by a minus a multiplied by a is equal to 100. Can you actually solve this? If you can, kindly put your answer in the comment section. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Here we have the given equation a multiplied by a multiplied by a minus a multiplied by a is equal to 100. Then if you have s multiplied by x, this is equal to s squared. Then if you have s multiplied by x multiplied by x, this is equal to s raised to power 3. Then this can be written as a multiplied by a multiplied by a. We have a raised to power 3 minus a multiplied by a square is equal to 100. A raised to power 3 minus a square. Let us bring this 100 to this side. It become minus 100 is equal to 0. But 100 is equal to 125 minus 25. Then we have a raised to power 3 minus a square minus 125 minus 25 is equal to 0. Here we have a raised to power 3 minus a square. If you open the bracket with this negative, we have minus 125 plus 25 is equal to 0. Now 125 is equal to 5 raised to power 3. Then 25 is equal to 5 square. Now from here, we have a raised to power 3 minus a square minus 125 is 5 raised to power 3 plus 25 is 5 square is equal to 0. A raised to power 3 minus 5 raised to power 3 bracket. Here is minus here. A square minus 5 square is equal to 0. Take note of this, that if you have s raised to power 3 minus y raised to power 3, this is equal to s minus y bracket a square plus sy plus y square. Then if you have s square minus y square, this is equal to s plus y bracket s minus y, where s is equal to a and then y is equal to 5. The whole of this can be written as a minus 5 bracket a square plus 5 multiplied by a plus 5 square bracket minus bracket a plus 5, then bracket, open bracket and close it, a minus 5 bracket is equal to 0. Then here you can see that a minus 5 is common. Let's bring it out. A minus 5 bracket here. If you divide the whole of this by this, we have a square plus 5a plus 5 square, then minus, if you divide the whole of this by this, we have a plus 5 is equal to 0. A minus 5 bracket a square plus 5a plus 25 minus a minus 5 is equal to 0. A minus 5 bracket a square plus 5a minus a, that is 4a, plus 25 minus 5, that is 20, is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is a minus 5 equal to 0, and the second case is a square plus 4a plus 20 is equal to 0. Then from here, a is equal to 5. This is the first value of a. And from here, this is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. And a quadratic general formula is given as a is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation here, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, then c is equal to 20. A is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 4 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 20 over 2 multiplied by 1. A is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 4 square, that is 16, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 20, that is 80, over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. This is the same thing as minus 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 80, that is minus 64 over 2. A is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 64 can be written as square root of 64 multiplied by minus 1 over 2. A is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 64 is 8. Square root of minus 1 is I over 2. And this can be written as minus 4 over 2 plus or minus 8i over 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 2, 2 here 1, 2 here 4. A is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 4i. These are other values of A. Therefore, our final answer are A1 is equal to 5, A2 is equal to minus 2 plus 4i, A3 is equal to minus 2 minus 4i. You can see that in this solution we have one real root and then two complex roots. This is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong, but for us to check, let us check using this real root solution. Then to check, we have the given equation a multiplied by a multiplied by a minus a multiplied by a is equal to 100. Then if a is equal to 5, this is 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 minus 5 multiplied by 5 must be equal to 100. This is 125 minus 25 must be equal to 100. And of course, 125 minus 25, this is 100, is equal to 100, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.